Hi there. In this video we will learn about back flower remedies. One of the interesting thing about back flower remedies is you should be more positive. So how to become more positive person? One of the ideas is positive affirmations. So this is otherwise called as mantra chanting. So you have to repeat some words of positivity. So it can be like I'm happy. It can be like I'm the best, or it can be like I'm healthy. So when you keep on repeating it, you create a vibration and you attract that energy. So your thought is creating an energy. So this has been used in the past as well. This has been used in India for many years. So when you keep on repeating popular religious chants, you get more positive. So this is very necessary. So where does the batch flower remedies doesn't work? So it works all the time. It doesn't work with virus and bacteria. So when there is a virus attack, when there is a bacterial infection, you have to try for different methods. And one more thing is, when a person is too depressed, he is very depressed, so you have to treat for the depression and then treat for other elements. So he might come to you with a certain element or something like he's too tired. So when you analyze him, you will find that he was too depressed and his energy level is very low. Say for example, a person comes to you with as skin disease. So he is telling that he is having the skin disease for 3 to 4 months. So in this scenario you will give the remedy as crab apple, but you have to treat whether he is having some depression or how his energy level is. So if he has been affected with any other chronic ailments, you have to treat them first. So for chronic ailments and situations like this, words of positive affirmation would help them. So you have to believe the medicine works, then only it will work, or else it would never work. So it's like your immunity. So if you feel you are a positive person, your immunity will increase and you will not get some disease.